Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix weather app is not updating on Windows 11. So I'll open the weather app, and from the very first thing here is to click on this refresh icon, try to refresh it, or select the remove the location and then click on this home icon. So once we are ensured that yes, the location is correctly updated, then we will go to this, I'll do a right click in the start icon, then go to settings, and at the left hand side we will go to apps, and then we will go to installed apps. And from here we will search weather, and you will find Weather Microsoft Corporation. We will click on that, and then we will go to advanced options. Now here the app permission, the location permission should be turned on. Let this app run in a background power optimized, or just select always. You can do that and scroll down, and you can also click on repair. By doing these things we can restart the computer, and I'm sure the weather app will start working in your computer. Please do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not, and if yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.